Sometimes late at night, I lay awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light and let her window. And the focus is my mind. If I never wake in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her and my own? If tomorrow never comes, we should know how much I love her. When I try every way to show her every day, she's my only one. And if my time on earth, then she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause all those loved ones in my life never knew how much I loved them. No, I live in the regret of my true feelings for them everywhere in me. So I made a promise to myself to say stay on my sheet needs to be. And avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, we should know how much I love her. And I try never ends to show her every day. She's my only one. And if my time on earth went full, and she must face this world without me, is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? So tell out someone that you love just what you're thinking of if tomorrow never comes.